I hear something. I hear something. What is it? What could it be? What is it, Ella?
It's a monster. It's a real dragon.
It is?
Yes.
It is?
It's actually fighting. It's a baby real dragon.
It is?
Yes.
He sounds like a baby. Ella, I think I heard him growling. I think I heard him growling.
Look. Oh no. Oh no, feel it.
It's coming to get us.
Hide still. Let's hide still.
Okay,
It's
all right.
a baby dragon.
We're gonna let Obi under. Here we go. Let go, Ella, let go. Here they are.
It's so No, we're over here.
Okay, I'm done. Okay.
You can come out.
I'm done.